Hey guys, welcome to a Sunday vlog. Today we are going to check out Parque Cholul. That's where we're walking into right now. And it's a Sunday, so they have their slow market going on. So a slow market is sort of like a farmer's market where you'll see people selling all kind of handmade goodies, things that they made at home, things that they're reselling, previously loved clothes, shoes, goods, what have you. So that's what we're going to check out today in the first part of this vlog. The first thing that we're going to do is to get something to eat. This is a great place. The slow markets, there are a few around town. So there's definitely one downtown in Central. There's one in Merida Norte, just behind the Grand Plaza. So you can look that up. And then there's this one that's in Cholul. So we're gonna get something to eat. This is some chilaquiles she's preparing here for my friend who came with me, and I am going to get some cochinita pibil tacos. If you don't know what cochinita pibil is, you absolutely need to check out this video that I'm going to put on the screen here and also leave in the description box so you can check it out, because I went out to a small town on the outskirts of Merida to go. Listen to me, the dog them, the bird them, everybody want to make nice when me I make nice. Anyways, welcome to Merida, y'all. So yeah, I went to a town on the outskirts of Merida to have authentic cochinita pibil prepared, and so now anytime I see it in what looks like an original setting, I want it because it is absolutely delicious. It's pork slow cooked underneath the earth in orange and wolipa spices. Like, look at that, it's absolutely delicious. I had to get it. It wasn't the best cochinita pibil I've ever had, but it was definitely yummy. I did not yeah man, this did go on good for me. I didn't regret having this for my Sunday breakfast. No sir, the dog out the door. Jeez. Anyways, let's move on. This gentleman here is preparing like a michelada, I think they call it. That's what I've seen it called out at the beach, but it's usually done, well, alright, it's usually done for me with beer inside, but obviously you can have it with other beverages. So he's lining the cup with chamoy and tahini, and he's gonna use this sangria flavored soda to complete the drink. I didn't get one of these. I wanted something different, and I saw someone with what I thought was horchata, which is like a rice tea kind of a thing, but it was not horchata. Me take out myself, go take out this thing that is made with cacao and coconut. It wasn't strained. It's called pozole, I think. I remember. Never go look it up and put it on the screen. Anyway, after you eat, it's time to walk around. So I did not realize that there was what was once a cenote right in the middle of the Cholul Park. So yeah, it's all closed up now, but I guess once upon a time you could go down there and explore. And then we started to walk around. We went inside. It's a Sunday morning, so the people them in the church. And my stance already about going inside of churches as just a tourist, but we still kind of made our way because it was a beautiful church right in the town square. So I made my way just on the outskirts to have a little peek inside. It was filled, service was still going on, so I didn't stay long, but it is absolutely beautiful. Back outside, we are passing this beautiful park that's right beside the church. And remember, all of this is in the town square, which is something that I'm telling you I am loving about Merida and Mexico on a whole. There are lots of parks and green spaces for everyone to enjoy, and they're all very well kept, very manicured, very clean. I love that. I don't know if this was once a well or something, but it was cute to just go fast and take some pictures and thing. And then we walked over to the side. We were trying to get to some fruterias to get some fruit, so that's what we're doing right now. There are usually lots more vendors under here. We were kind of late. I think most slow food markets, they start around 8, 9 a.m. run about there. You know, me not see them early hours there. But if you want the best produce, that's the time to go. And we got there maybe around 11, closer to 12. So the place did hot. And most people did pack up and gone about them business already. This is a fruiteria that's always there. The fruit never looked that fresh, I'm not telling a lie. And then I saw someone selling what smelled like jerk chicken, and it was so, well, I never buy none, but the smell was there. I really wish I had. Alright, later on in the day now, we are now at the Alta Brisa Mall. Listen to these kiddos. Mall. I don't know if you can hear me over the noise. One of my favorite malls here. And okay, yeah, Galleria, Isla, and then Alta Brisa. We're at the Alta Brisa Mall. And let me tell you something. I know mall culture may have died down in the rest of North America, but here in Mexico, it is a Sunday afternoon and the mall is packed, baby. Packed. The people are out and they are dressed to their nines. Yes, indeed, the mall culture is still strong here and I don't mind it. Munchkin gets the opportunity to meet up with her friends at the mall. Hey, them can't walk a mall, you see? They will be in the mall for 5 hours straight. I'm like, what are y'all doing? Y'all are not shopping, you don't have no money, I don't know. But anyway, look, the people are just lounging, sitting, enjoying the mall. The kids are out. Their families, their couples, their groups of friends just walking, eating, having fun. Munchkin and I were about to go have something to eat before we actually did a little bit of shopping that we had to do. So that's what our mission was. I also wanted to go down. I was contemplating going down to Central for a Christmas activity. That never happened, but it was raining and I was like of two minds about it. Just never happened. So here we are trying to find some food to eat. We ended up in sushi roll, which is one of our favorites. They had some Christmas rolls. This is a strawberry and granola topped roll, which was very weird at first but ended up being very delicious. And this is Munchkin's claws roll. I don't know wagwan feet, but it wasn't bad either. This was the scene downtown, and when I saw this I was like, all right, never mind. You know, I just wasn't in the mind frame. There was a Coca-Cola caravan coming through, you know, Christmas decorated caravan. When I saw the crowd, I was like, it's okay. We'll do Central and the Christmas festivities there another time because so many things pop off in Central and that region for the Christmas. But here's a little snippet that somebody shared of the caravan passing by. Anyways, we were still in the mall, walking, taking our own Christmas pictures. This is me, Munchkin, giving Munchkin the side eye to make sure some picture them come out good enough. Of course, this gigantic Christmas tree was in the middle of the mall. And look how the place pack up. Sunday evening now, people out and stunting. You don't have to force this one to try and get her to take a picture with me. But look at this. This is why people are out at the malls. More and more things are popping up to do. This is a brand new go-karting place that just opened in the Alta Brisa Mall. So of course Munchkin was excited. She was taking pictures and videos to try and send to her friends and, you know, trying to find out the prices to see what it would be like for a group of she and her friend names to go and do some trouble at the mall. So these are the reasons why I allow her to go to the mall. I give her some pocket change. I say, you know, have a whale of a time because I grew up in the mall culture. She didn't really get a lot of it in Jamaica. So I'm so happy that it's still alive and kicking here in Merida. Now, some of these stores that you know from the United States, this is where they came. Like y'all thought they were dead and gone. This is where they came to continue thriving. Sears, Radio Shack, Mac, well I think Mac is, oh gosh, Mac is still alive and well in the US, I'm certain. But yeah, all of them are down here flourishing and thriving in Mexico. I see them in every mall that I've been to so far, in Mexico City, in Merida, in Cancun, and here. Look at Santa waving at me. And in Querétaro, I've seen them all over the place. Anyway, we were on a mission to shop for Munchkin's Secret Santa exchange with her teen club, so that's what we did. And then of course we got ice cream like everybody else did, and I took pictures beside or in front of the gigantic Christmas tree here in the mall. Thank you all for those who have donated so far to help us get our own apartment in January, and thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. See you in tomorrow's vlog. My name is Monique and I am the Traveling Jamaican.